What if the secret to unlocking your billionaire destiny lies not in what you do, but in the colors you surround yourself with? Sounds unbelievable, right? But wait, there's more to this than meets the eye. Aries, the fiery trailblazers of the Zodiac, are destined for greatness in 2025. With their unstoppable energy and fearless ambition, this year holds the potential for life-changing financial breakthroughs. But here's the twist. Aligning with the right colors could be the missing piece to your success puzzle. Imagine walking into a room wearing a shade that instantly commands respect, sparks creativity, or attracts wealth like a magnet. Or decorating your home with hues that ground your energy and amplify your focus. These aren't just colors, they're your hidden power tools to transform your dreams into reality. In this video, we'll reveal 5 lucky colors that astrologers and experts believe will supercharge Aries' path to becoming a billionaire in 2025. Stick with us to the end because the last color might surprise you. It holds the key to unlocking your ultimate potential. Get ready to take notes, Aries. Your future is about to get a lot more colorful and wealthy. Let's dive in. Red, the ultimate power booster. Symbolism, passion, energy, and leadership. For Aries, the fiery trailblazers of the Zodiac, red is not just a favorite, it's their secret weapon. This bold, dynamic color channels the energy of Mars, Aries' ruling planet, fueling their innate courage, determination, and leadership skills. In 2025, red is more than just a vibrant hue. It's a catalyst for unlocking billionaire potential. Why red is powerful for Aries. Red enhances Aries' natural confidence and drive, pushing them to take decisive actions and embrace challenges head-on. It inspires passion and keeps their entrepreneurial spirit alive, ensuring that they stay motivated even during tough times. This color doesn't just symbolize power, it helps Aries exude it, attracting influential connections and opportunities. How to use red in everyday life, wardrobe power play. Aries can command attention and exude authority by incorporating red into their wardrobe. Wearing a bold red blazer or a striking scarf during important meetings can give them the confidence to make impactful decisions. Red is a color that says, "I'm here to win." Energizing workspace. A touch of red in the workspace can do wonders for Aries' productivity and focus. A sleek red desk chair, a vibrant red pen holder, or even a small red notebook can keep the energy levels high and ideas flowing. These accents not only brighten the space, but also inspire action and creativity. Morning rituals for success. Starting the day with a mindful ritual involving red can set a powerful tone. Lighting a red candle during morning meditation or visualization practices can help Aries focus on their goals. Visualize success, abundance, and new opportunities as the warm glow of the candle energizes your ambitions. Why it works in 2025, red aligns perfectly with Aries' fearless go-getter attitude. In a year filled with big opportunities, this color will help Aries take risks, stay motivated, and leave a lasting impression. Whether it's closing a game-changing deal or starting a revolutionary project, red will empower Aries to achieve billionaire-level success in 2025. Gold, the color of wealth and success. Symbolism, prosperity, luxury, and prestige. For Aries, the bold and ambitious zodiac sign, gold isn't just a color. It's a powerful symbol of abundance and success. In 2025, gold represents their golden ticket to financial triumph, embodying the prestige and confidence needed to unlock billionaire opportunities. With its association with luxury and prosperity, gold aligns perfectly with Aries' unyielding desire to achieve greatness. Why gold is a game changer for Aries. Gold is more than a symbol of wealth. It's a color that inspires self-worth and bold aspirations. By incorporating gold into their daily lives, Aries can boost their confidence, attract positive energy, and stay focused on building the life of their dreams. Gold empowers them to aim higher and ensures their hard work is rewarded with success. How to use gold in everyday life. Wear your success. Aries can make gold their daily companion by adding gold accessories to their outfits. Whether it's a sleek gold watch, a shimmering bracelet, or a delicate necklace, these items not only elevate their style, but also serve as constant reminders of their financial goals. Each piece becomes a talisman, drawing wealth and confidence. Transform your living space. Adding gold accents to the home creates an environment of luxury and prosperity. A gold-framed mirror, golden lamps, or even subtle golden patterns in curtains or cushions can enhance the energy of abundance. Aries will feel more inspired and motivated in a space that reflects their ambitious spirit. Golden journaling. Using a gold journal to write down affirmations, goals, and daily reflections is a powerful practice for Aries. Visualizing goals as already achieved while writing in gold ink reinforces a positive mindset and keeps them focused on their journey to success. Why it works in 2025. Gold resonates with Aries' leadership qualities and their love for bold, grand achievements. In a year of limitless opportunities, this color encourages them to step into their power and claim the success they deserve. Gold doesn't just attract wealth, it reminds Aries that they are destined for greatness, pushing them to set higher goals and achieve them with confidence and ease. For Aries in 2025, gold truly is the color of billionaire dreams white, the shade of mental clarity, symbolism, purity, focus, and peace. Aries, with their unstoppable energy and drive, often find themselves charging full speed ahead toward their goals. However, their fiery nature can sometimes lead to stress or impulsive decisions. That's where white comes in, a calming and clarifying shade that helps Aries regain balance, focus, and purpose. In 2025, white is more than just a neutral color for Aries. It's their guide to making smart, calculated moves on the path to financial success. Why white is essential for Aries. White brings a sense of calm and clarity to Aries' whirlwind of energy. It serves as a mental reset button, allowing them to slow down, evaluate their plans, and stay focused on their long-term goals. While red fuels their passion and gold inspires wealth, white ensures they don't get lost in the chaos of their ambitions. How to use white in everyday life. Elevate your wardrobe. Starting the day with a crisp white shirt or an elegant white dress sets a tone of sophistication and clarity. White outfits help Aries exude a calm yet confident vibe, making them appear composed and approachable during important meetings or networking events. Incorporate white into your workspace. Aries thrives in environments that fuel creativity and focus. Adding white elements like a sleek white desk lamp, a clean whiteboard for brainstorming, or even white organizers can help declutter their mind and workspace. A clean, minimalist aesthetic encourages clearer thinking and better decision-making. Create a meditation corner. To recharge their energy and refocus their thoughts, Aries can set up a small meditation space adorned with white cushions, candles, and perhaps a white rug. Spending even 10 minutes in this peaceful corner can help them regain mental clarity, block out distractions, and refocus on their financial goals. Why it works in 2025. As Aries navigates a year full of opportunities and challenges, white acts as a stabilizer. It aligns their ambitious energy with thoughtful planning and disciplined action. By creating space for reflection and focus, white helps Aries avoid impulsive decisions that could derail their progress. Instead, it ensures they stay on track, making smart, calculated moves that lead to financial breakthroughs. For Aries in 2025, white is more than a shade. It's a secret weapon for mental clarity and staying aligned with their billionaire aspirations. Green, the magnet for growth and prosperity. Symbolism: renewal, growth, and abundance. Green, the color of nature and renewal, holds transformative power for Aries in 2025. It symbolizes growth, not just personal, but financial as well. Known for their fiery ambition, Aries can use green to channel their energy into wise investments and opportunities that lead to sustainable long-term wealth. This shade helps Aries align their boldness with grounded, strategic thinking, making it a true magnet for prosperity. Why green is vital for Aries? Green represents abundance and balance, qualities that Aries need to thrive. While their fiery energy drives them forward, green helps them make thoughtful decisions, ensuring their efforts lead to tangible success. Whether it's attracting new opportunities, building wealth, or nurturing relationships, green keeps Aries grounded and focused on sustainable growth. How to use green in everyday life. Bring nature indoors. Aries can invite prosperity by decorating their home or workspace with lush green plants. Money trees, jade plants, or even a simple pothos plant not only beautify the space, but also attract good fortune. These plants serve as daily reminders of growth and abundance while adding a touch of calm to their environment. Wear green for success. Green is a fantastic choice for Aries when attending networking events, meetings, or conferences. Whether it's a green tie, scarf, or even a statement outfit, this color helps Aries leave a lasting impression. Green also exudes trust and reliability, key traits for building meaningful connections and attracting financial opportunities. The wallet hack for wealth. Aries can keep their finances thriving by carrying a small green gemstone, such as an emerald or jade, in their wallet. These stones are believed to attract wealth and good luck. Every time Aries reaches for their wallet, this little touch of green serves as a reminder of their goals and potential for abundance. Why it works in 2025. Green grounds Aries' fiery, impulsive tendencies and guides them towards smarter financial choices. It encourages patience and strategic thinking, helping Aries seize opportunities that promise long-term rewards. By incorporating green into their daily lives, Aries can cultivate an environment that supports both personal and financial growth, setting the stage for billionaire success. For Aries in 2025, green isn't just a color, it's a life-changing tool for turning ambition into enduring prosperity. Black, the shield of power and protection. Symbolism: authority, sophistication, and resilience. For Aries, black is more than a color. It's a shield that fortifies their fiery spirit in 2025. Known for its association with authority and sophistication, black empowers Aries to command attention and exude confidence in every aspect of life. Beyond its elegance, black also acts as a protective force, guarding Aries against negativity and distractions while boosting their focus and resilience. Why black is a powerhouse for Aries, with their bold and ambitious nature, often find themselves navigating high-stakes situations. Black provides them with the composure and authority they need to stand tall. It's a color of empowerment that enhances their ability to make decisive moves and maintain control, even under pressure. How to use black in everyday life: dress to impress. A tailored black suit or a sleek black dress can instantly elevate Aries' presence. Whether it's a boardroom meeting or a social event, black outfits project power, sophistication, and confidence. Aries can use this color to make a lasting impression and assert their authority. Upgrade business essentials. Incorporating black into business tools like folders, notebooks, or briefcases can subtly communicate professionalism and strength. A black leather briefcase or a matte black notebook not only looks polished, but also gives Aries an edge in negotiations or presentations. Evening ritual for positivity. After a long day, Aries can light a black candle to unwind and release negativity. This simple ritual helps clear their mind, restore their energy, and refocus on their goals. Visualizing challenges melting away in the candle's flame can be a powerful practice to start the next day with renewed determination. Why it works in 2025. Black complements Aries' unstoppable energy by adding an aura of sophistication and control. It enhances their ability to tackle challenges with grace and determination, ensuring they remain resilient in the face of adversity. As Aries strives for billionaire status, black acts as both a shield and a spotlight, protecting their energy while amplifying their presence. For Aries in 2025, black is the ultimate power move, ensuring they rise above obstacles and emerge victorious in their journey to success. And there you have it, Aries, the 5 lucky colors that could transform your 2025 into a year of incredible wealth and success. These aren't just colors. They're your secret tools to amplify your natural strengths, attract opportunities, and pave the way for financial breakthroughs. But here's the thing, success isn't just about luck. It's about taking action, staying consistent, and aligning yourself with what works for you. By incorporating these colors into your life, through your wardrobe, workspace, and daily rituals, you're not just chasing success, you're building it, one bold move at a time. So, which color are you going to start with? Is it the fiery red for unstoppable energy, the luxurious gold for attracting wealth, or maybe the calming white for clarity? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're using these colors to unlock your billionaire potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and strategies to take your life to the next level. Remember, Aries, your ambition knows no limits. With the right mindset and a little splash of the right colors, 2025 could be the year you redefine what's possible. Until next time, stay bold, stay brilliant, and stay unstoppable.